If you want to fix forward head posture and the neck pain, I got something super simple and super effective. And go ahead and grab a couple blankets and get down on the floor now. You're going to roll up a blanket and put it on the floor, and you're going to lie down on top of it. Blanket should come at about mid to the lower level of your shoulder blades. And make sure your head doesn't hang and hyperextend, and just find appropriate amount of support for your neck and head. And be sure to bend your legs so it doesn't arch your low back and stress your low back. So have your legs bent and have your arms at shoulder height if that's comfortable for you. If not, have your arms slightly down, and it is important to have your palms facing upward, not downward, to open up the shoulders and open up your chest. And also make sure that you don't contract your abdominal muscles, because that's going to tighten your chest as well. So make sure that your abdominal muscles are nice and relaxed, and concentrate on your breathing. Just take a nice deep breath and breathe out, and hang out in that position, and trying to let go of all unnecessary tension and effort, and stay there about 3 minutes to 5 minutes. But make sure that you can stay comfortable. If you get uncomfortable, make sure to make an adjustment. After you're done, and go ahead and stand up and check your posture. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video.